Hi, good morning, everybody. It's Meredith, and happy May 5th, 2013. So, I'm sorry, today's the 3rd, isn't it? Duh. Duh, May 3rd. I'm thinking ahead what I got to do on the 5th. But anyway, I'm here for my diet update for you. I'm doing good. You know, I feel that I'm going through a stall. I can feel it, and this morning I feel kind of bloated and yeah, it kind of happens. So, you know, if you're dieting, whatever you're doing, you know, when you're dieting, do expect to stall. It's inevitable. Your body has to adjust and go through the changes that you're doing, and it has to adjust to everything and reconfigure itself so it can become a fat-burning machine and continue. But yeah, I weighed myself this morning. I shared it. I did it on my retro scale. I got my new retro scale I got. I got tired of that damn digital thing. It was always giving me problems. $50-something for that damn thing, and it's a hunk of junk. Anyway, back to it. But I meant to share something with you guys. I think one reason I'm burning my belly fat so much faster than the times before is because of this. CLA, and it's a big-ass pill. If you see that bottle right there, it actually has the pill size on it. What it is a I can't read this. Let me get my glasses back on. It is a conjuncted lysinic acid, okay, for energizing the thermogenetic formula to enhance your diet and support metabolic. Contains 1,500 milligrams of CLA per serving. And what CLA is, well, this is made, beef has it. If you eat it raw, you get it. For grass-fed beef, you know, and it's in dairy products and so forth. So, you know, but this comes from the sunflower oil, okay? And what it says in the back here, and I got it at GNC, it says here for the sun, this is important if you do buy this, you need to get this kind, not the other kinds that got all out there because it's not going to work, all right? This actually has a sunflower oil in it of 1,500 milligrams. It is a conjugated lysinic acid from sunflower oil. Okay, and what that does, it gets in your body and it works in your tummy area. Okay, and it heats up in there and it starts burning that stored fat. It's been on Dr. Oz. Google it. Look at it on Dr. Oz. This is the GNC Total Lean Thermocal. This has a little bit of caffeine in it. They do have the kind without the caffeine. It does have 20 calories per pill. It also has 20. Well, as you get the calories from fat, total fat is 2 grams, and it's the healthy fat. Okay, it's not the unhealthy fat. But yeah, some people I've seen that saying they're not having the results that they want, or it didn't even work, and then other people say that it's working wonderful for them. It does say here on this bottle that you're only to have 2,000 calories a day or less, and what it does, it blocks your carbohydrates and stuff that you eat. Okay, but if you eat too much, it's not going to work so well. So you know, you do need to be aware of that, of your calories and your carb intake each day, okay, even your fat intake, because what it does, it allows it instead of storing those extra carbs or whatever that you eat, it burns them, it blocks them, and you get them out. Now, one thing I will say about this, I've noticed when I do take this, and when I eat in the morning, it's kind of, this is disgusting. My fecal is kind of like it's runny. You can see like fat, like greasiness in it and so forth. So it's working for me. Yeah, so I do recommend this. I like it a lot. It doesn't make me feel jittery with the caffeine or anything. But anyway, that's enough of that. Try it and see what it's like. You know, and one thing about GNC, if you don't like it, you can take it the hell back and say, I don't like it. And they'll give you another bottle or a refund or something else. So, yeah, and oh, the bottle of it cost, I think it was like $35 for that bottle, and it's a must apply, and, oh, I need to get this for you. And they are horse pills, baby. They are gel caps, so you see the size of that? It's a gel cap. And that's what it is. I take 2 in the morning and 2 around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? So, I'm in some jeans. These are my jeans that I got last year, down to like 155, if you girlfriends remember. I could not even button these babies last week. I buttoned them. Yeah. And my tummy fat is disappearing. Pull my shirt down so I can show you. It is disappearing, girlfriends. But see, I still got these love handles here. I'll take my little jacket off so you can see. And this is the reason I'm wearing my little jacket, which I'm in Colorado, so it's a little cold. But see my wobbly bits there? See that? Mama got back. I need to lose that shit, don't I? And that's what I'm working on the most. I want to be, my husband's taking me to St. Augustine in June to hang on the beach because I love St. Augustine. It's the oldest city in the United States, and it's just, I love it, and the beaches and everything there. And but anyway, these are the jeans. They are Miss M jeans I bought last year. They fit me really good last year, but I gained all this weight back and then some. I started at 180. This morning I was 159, plus my phone weighs about a pound or two. It's a big old Galaxy S. And, but these are the jeans, and I love them. I'm so glad that I can get them back. I can get them on again. That's the thing. And, you know, I recommend you girls who are doing a diet, take a piece of some clothing that you really like, that you think that, you know, that's something that's, you know, that's a challenge for you, but nothing over it. Just small baby steps, like a pair of pants that fits little, you know, a really little snug that was you were fitting in 2 months ago or a year ago that was just you love. Try putting them on and make that your goal to get into. If not, go out and buy you a tight-ass pair of jeans that you got to wiggle and lay on the bed. Zip them up, darlings, and see what they're like in 2 weeks. That is so rewarding to feel that, you know, and think, oh, I got in them, you know. And, but anyway, that's it. I wanted to let you know how I was doing, and I'm doing it, but I am going through a stall. But look at my face and all. It's getting so much thinner. I'm just getting old. Look at my neck, though. I still got my double chin there. See that? Yeah. I want that gone. But, yeah, I'm in my Miss M jeans. These are a 28 size. But, you know, I'm not quite there yet. But I'll get there, and so will you. And God bless. Get thin, get bold, get be beautiful, and be confident. Because if I can do this damn thing, so can you, darlings. And let's just get down to our goal this year. Because I didn't make it last year, but I'm going to do it this year. That's for damn sure. God bless. Bye now. Say bye, Fifi.